Hey, what's up everybody, it's TechDevil here, and today we're diving into the world of smart wearables with a closer look at the Amazfit GTR 4 and GTS 4. Amazfit has been steadily climbing the ranks in the wearable tech scene, and for good reason. They consistently deliver a compelling blend of style, features, and affordability. With the GTR 4 and GTS 4, Amazfit continues this trend, offering two distinct flavors to satisfy a wide range of preferences. First up, let's break down the specs of the GTR 4. This model rocks a 1.45-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels, delivering vibrant visuals and sharp details. Under the hood, it's powered by the Zepp OS 2.0 operating system, ensuring smooth performance and a user-friendly interface. When it comes to connectivity, the GTR 4 has you covered with Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi, enabling seamless pairing with your smartphone and other devices. It also boasts an impressive battery life, promising up to 14 days of typical usage on a single charge. Now let's turn our attention to the GTS 4. This model embraces a sleek and minimalist design with a focus on style. It features a slightly larger 1.75-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 390 by 450 pixels, providing an immersive viewing experience. Like its sibling, the GTS 4 is driven by the Zepp OS 2.0 operating system, ensuring smooth navigation and access to a plethora of apps and features. It also shares the same connectivity options as the GTR 4, including Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi, making it easy to stay connected on the go. Section 4. Display and Design, a tale of two styles. One of the most striking differences between the GTR 4 and GTS 4 lies in their design language, which sets them apart in the smartwatch market. The GTR 4 embraces a more traditional circular watch aesthetic, exuding a timeless elegance that complements both casual and formal attire. This design choice appeals to those who appreciate classic watch styles. Its stainless steel body and responsive rotating crown contribute to a premium look and feel, enhancing its overall durability and user experience. On the other hand, the GTS 4 opts for a modern rectangular design with a lightweight aluminum alloy body, making it perfect for everyday wear. Its sleek profile and vibrant color options cater to those who prefer a more contemporary and sporty aesthetic. The GTS 4 is ideal for individuals who enjoy a dynamic and active lifestyle, offering both style and functionality. Section 5. In today's fast-paced world, staying on top of your health and fitness is more important than ever. Performance and features powering your day. Our latest smartwatches are designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. Both the GTR 4 and GTS 4 come equipped with a comprehensive suite of health and fitness tracking features, ensuring you have all the data you need at your fingertips. They offer continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level measurement, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring, providing a holistic view of your health, empowering you to take control of your well-being. With these tools, you can make informed decisions about your lifestyle and habits. When it comes to fitness, these smartwatches excel with support for over 150 sports modes, catering to both casual and professional athletes, covering a wide range of activities from running and cycling to swimming and strength training. No matter your sport, there's a mode for you. Built-in GPS enables accurate tracking of outdoor workouts, so you can explore new routes and push your limits with confidence. While the intuitive Zepp OS 2.0 provides detailed insights into your performance, helping you to analyze and improve over time. With these smartwatches, you're not just tracking your activities, you're enhancing your overall lifestyle. Section 6. Price and availability, value-packed choices. Now let's talk about the price, which is always a crucial factor when deciding on a new gadget. The Amazfit GTR 4 and GTS 4 are competitively priced, offering exceptional value for their features and performance. These smartwatches are designed to provide a premium experience without the premium price tag. The GTR 4 starts at price of GTR 4, while the GTS 4 comes in at price of GTS 4, making them accessible to a wide range of consumers. This pricing strategy ensures that you get the best bang for your buck. In terms of availability, both models are expected to hit the shelves in month-year. This means you won't have to wait long to get your hands on these innovative devices, So, if you're in the market for a feature-packed and stylish smartwatch without breaking the bank, the Amazfit GTR 4 and GTS 4 are definitely worth considering. They offer a blend of style, functionality, and affordability that is hard to beat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and tech news. See you in the next video.